Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can share your location on Snapchat with only one person. So for that, you need to go to your location in Snapchat by clicking on the little pin icon at the bottom left corner. Once you're in the map, at the top right corner, you can see the little setting icon. Click on that. Once you click on it, it'll take you over here. As you guys can see, I'm already sharing my location with one of my friend. It's just share my live location. So let me just on share with him. So I can share with him again to show you how I did it right. So I unshared my location with him, but now I'm going to show you how you guys can share it. So what you want to do is once you're over here, you can see the quick share option. Right below quick share, click on view more and it's going to show you list of all the friends you have on your Snapchat. You want to select to whom you want to share. So I want to share to Albino. Double click on share live. Once I click on share live, it's asking me to open my settings. I will click on open setting, and from setting where it says notification, make sure it's on. Once you turn on the notification, just go back to your Snapchat and click and share live again. And once you click and share live, your live location will start to be shared to the person, just like this. Now, I even share it to other people like this. And if I want to unshare it, I can click on this little option called share my live location at the top and just, take the person's name and click on save. And my location will not be shared with that person. But that's all. We guys can share your location on Snapchat with only one person. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.